Welcome to this exclusive episode of TEA Sliced. Today, we have two teams of the best home cooks competing for the title of King Chef. At every step of the competition, these teams will be judged by three of the toughest chefs in Hollywood. First up, we have Caroline, Denali, Sydney, Kenzie, and Jade on Team Kick-Ass. Next up, we have Alex, Zach, Caden, Caleb, and Reese on Team The Gamers.
Competitors are in the kitchen and they're ready to begin cooking.
Chefs, your 90 minutes begins now.
So, me and my fellow gamers decided to make some spaghetti with meat sauce to win the challenge. We took some flour and we put it into a volcano, cracked some eggs into it, and mushed it together, and a few minutes later, we had our dough. Then we started by putting it in the spaghetti maker, but we ran into a few challenges.
For our main dish, we made a pesto pasta with pine nuts and sage.
We had to make string cheese on the caprese and it wouldn't melt.
So I might have accidentally put the brookies in upside down, kind of delaying us time-wise. Why are you yelling? What?
Guys. Welcome, chefs.
One of the judges lifted up the caprese and it was charred on the bottom.
It's f***ing burnt. Exquisite. Exquisite.
The flavor is incredible. It's like a dream in my mouth. The meat and the sauce balances so well with this pasta. Is Luke even a judge?
No?
And the winner is... The boys!
Do your voice practice. Okay, rolling.
3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, so for our sauce that we made, we put we put garlic sauce, pepper sauce, tomato sauce, onion sauce, and what? Beets, apparently.
Cut!